The previous video we have been looking on the real estate contract which is powered by the blockchain. In this video we're going to discuss about uh, how does we communicate with the blockchain in order to extract the data, the metadata, okay, and then we are going to feed the data into the front end. So we're going to see the strategy how we are going to implement this one. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into the video. And here's my code. This code is a bit complicated, but stay with me, it's going to be very easy. Okay, at the end of this video you will feel like that's it. Is it that easy? Okay, now let's start from here. So the first thing, we have to get the contract, right? So in order to get the contract, we use the Ethers.js library. The Ethers.js library takes three parameters. The one is the address of the smart contract to which the smart contract is being deployed, and then it also takes the ABI. What is meant by ABI? So when we compile this smart contract, it gives us the two things. One is the ABI, another one is the opcode. So the ABI is nothing but it shows the what are the functions available, what are the parameters available, what is the return time of that function in the form of the JSON file. Okay, let me show you how does the ABI looks like. So here you can see so this is how the ABI looks like. So we need these three parameters in order to get the contract from the from the blockchain. Now let's move on to the app.js JavaScript. And so as I said, we are doing it here. You can see we're getting the address and we are passing the ABI as well as the provider. Okay, so with this real estate contract, we are calling a total supply function which tells us the number of NFT that is being minted, and we are iterating that much of times. Why? In order to get the metadata. Okay, we are going to fetch the metadata and we are going to append this metadata to an array. Here the array name is homes, and then we're going to set the homes. This is going to be array, and so now we have the metadata. So we have to map through the elements of this array in order to feed the data to the front end. So that's what we are doing here. Here you can see the mapping through it, and we're setting the key as the index. Okay, here you can see the home.image, home.attributes.value, which returns as the Ethereum, which returns as the bedrooms, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, square feet, overall the description, address. So where does it come from? As I said before, it is from the metadata. Okay, so if you want to know about the metadata, go here. Here you can see, so the name, the home.name, which returns at this one, home.address returns this one, and then attributes of 0, and that's what this means. Here you can see exactly, I think in app.js. Okay, here you can see we're listing all the values of it. Okay, so that's what we do. And whenever we click on that particular card, particular property, it should call a toggle pop function. So what's the toggle pop means? So when you click on it, it pops in display where it allows us to purchase that property. And we are passing the home. What is mean by home? Home is nothing but the element of the homes, which is a set of elements, array, basically array. And where does this function located? It's located here. We are setting the home. We are setting the array homes. Now we are setting the element of the array home, and we are also updating the toggle. What is toggle? Toggle is a use state in React.js, and we are checking whether this toggle is true. If it is true, and we are going to render the home function, home component of the JavaScript to the front end. So what are the things that we are passing to this home component? We are passing the home, provider, options, escrow, and then toggle pop. So we will speak more about the home component in the next video. So hope so it makes sense, like how to get the contract from the blockchain, and how to iterate through the metadata of that particular NFT and how to fetch that data to the front end. Hope so it makes sense. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Paul Morgan signing off. Peace.